In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly clean your bonga fish. I'll also be explaining some of the benefits or uses of bonga fish and why bonga fish is so expensive in the market. First, let's start cleaning. Cleaning bonga fish is a time-consuming process, and sometimes it can be painstaking because if you're not used to cleaning it, your fingers may, hurt a little bit because of the bones and all of that. And this part is very, very necessary. You must clean your bonga fish. You must remove the skin of the bonga fish. Don't even try to cook your bonga fish whole like this and think it's going to come out well. No, 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 no. Even when the skin is soft, it is no longer edible. It's not edible. You will not like it in your soup. So it's better to painstakingly remove the skin and remove the bones. Now, before I continue with this video, I like to say, please like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and of course, subscribe to my channel, follow me. Thank you. So, one of the major uses of bunga fish is bunga fish can actually be used in place of MSG. Now, Nigerians call popular seasoning cubes, Maggi. Yes. When you blend bunga fish with some other spices and herbs, cooking with that combination would take your food from level 50 to level 1 million. You don't even need Maggie for it. But that's a talk or topic for another day. Now, after the second part of the cleaning, I'm going to speed up this video because I don't want to bore you with, cleaning this many fishes. Secondly, bunga fish is used to flavor baby food. By flavor baby food, I mean it is used to make baby food more nutrient dense. Yeah. Now I would explain. Bunga fish is loaded with protein. You know, protein, protein, protein. It's fish. And it has some omega-3 fatty acids or some omega-3 oil, whatever they call it. So adding it to baby food, especially baby pap, makes it very nutritious for babies. If you're watching this video, you can see that I already have two big bowls filled with dirt. That's the skin and bones of bunga fish. After taking this ones out, that's these two big bowls out, you will see what I have read. But first, let me quickly, get this a little bit cleaned and nice and all of that. So get ready for the reveal of that plenty bunga fish you saw earlier. This is what is remaining, and this is the reason why bunga fish is so expensive, because after cleaning, there is nothing left. And as I will always say, good food must be enjoyed, and bunga fish is one of those good ingredients that you should think of adding to your meals and to your diet.